Welcome to this video on electric potential difference, the invisible force behind the flow. We will explore how this concept drives electricity. Charges, like electrons in a wire, do not flow by themselves. Just as water needs a slope to flow in a pipe, electrons need a push. In the case of water, gravity creates a pressure difference. Water flows from high pressure to low pressure, demonstrating that flow requires a difference in pressure. For electrons, gravity is irrelevant. They move only when there is a difference in electric pressure, which is called potential difference. The battery acts as the pump of the circuit. Chemical action within the cell generates the potential difference between the positive and negative terminals, even when no current is drawn. Electric potential difference is defined as the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. The relationship is expressed by the equation V equals W over Q, where V is potential difference, W is work done, and Q is charge. The unit for potential difference is the volt, named after Alessandro Volta. 1 volt is defined as 1 joule of work done per 1 coulomb of charge. The voltmeter is the instrument used to measure potential difference. It is always connected in parallel across the points where the measurement is taken. Let's apply the logic. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulombs across a potential difference of 12 volts? Using the equation W equals V times Q, we find the work done is 24 joules. This is the energy the battery expends to move the charge. Our key takeaways: potential difference is electric pressure, measured in volts, defined as work per charge, and measured with a voltmeter connected in parallel. Remember, without potential difference, there is no flow of electrons. With it, we harness the power that drives the modern world.